Hi, welcome. So, if you found your AirPod is connected right on your iPhone, but only problem is it doesn't make any sounds. I found many people are facing the same problems where they are saying the AirPod is connected with their iPhone, but it has no sound whatsoever. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to solve that problems. Now, before you get started with anything else, the first thing that you got to do on your iPhone, you just want to go and open up your music player. You can sort of see right there. Simply go and tap this on, and you can see there's a section called iPhone there. So simply go ahead and tap it on here, and you can see it's actually giving you two sections: iPhone and AirPod. So all you want to select AirPod, and then try to listen to music or whatever you want to watch, and check whether your AirPod is working or not. Let's say I've done everything. Oh, so far I showed you, but still have the same problem here. The next thing that you got to do is just go and open up your settings. And here you want to go and tap on AirPod here and make sure your AirPod has enough charge. If you have less than 20% of your charge either on the case on your AirPod itself, then I would say go grab your AirPod and simply put it on charge. Okay. So what this will do, and like wait for like 20 minutes or so, and your problem will be solved automatically. And after that, just go on, just wait for some time and see what happens. If you see you have still the problem, then you can follow the last solution. Will definitely help you to solve your problems. Now, for that, the first thing that you want to do is just go make sure the case is actually open. Okay, let me just go ahead and open up my case here, and then just go and open up the settings and just go to the AirPod. First of all, you want to scroll down to the bottom and then tap disconnect here. So make sure to disconnect your AirPod from your iPhone, and then just go grab your AirPod and make sure, okay, so make sure to open that up, like open the case up. And you want to like, if it has no buttons, you can see this is actually the new AirPod 4. So if it has no button, you have to like press it like 1, 2, 3, just like that. And so the color will change, and then it will be resetted, and then you'll have to reconnect it with your iPhone. Now for the old AirPod, you'll see there's going to be a button in the back, so make sure to open up the case and press and hold the button here unless you see the color changes. And after that, all you got to do, I'm telling you again, like you have to reconnect your AirPod with your iPhone, and after that, your problem is going to be solved. And still, if you have any more questions regarding that your AirPod is connected but has no sound problem, please do let me know in the comment section, guys. See you all around with a different video.